Hello guys. Touchdown SG. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
Hey.
Lahating daan.
Oats.
Walang
Ay.
nakikita sa salamin na to. Ano ba yan?
Silipin ka lang. I wanna treat you up. I can show you. Singapore's architecture. A. Philippines' finest. Fine shit. Day 2. Siyempre, gahol. Saan shades ko man?
Ay daw.
Tara.
Kaya pumasok na yung lalaki.
Sayang yun, oh. Gusto ko yung mga rides, eh.
Ayoko ng rides.
Pero ayoko yung ganun.
And perhaps humanity's greatest ally, Optimus Prime. Mystic. So, there is your first challenge, recruits. You go and prove Ironhide wrong.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Uy, gago ka. Ano daw? Pwede daw?
Oo, pwede.
Sure?
Oo.
You're going to space in that thing. Good luck. You can do it.
That's 4 seconds to countdown.
Gusto siguro ni Lukluk dito. Gago. Wow.
Thrill, they dazzle, sometimes even startle. But don't
Action. This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately. This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5. Stay away from all windows and extinguish all flames. Repeat,
Ha? Ay, dito, solo mo. Gago, dali. Please. Please, ka boy.
Oh, that was crazy good. We have to watch it again. Where's the rewind button? Huh?
Damn, third day. So, city tour. Iga City Tour. Ngayon, punta kami ng Fort Canning. Okay, so late na kami. Tagal kasi ni Day. Naghihintay lang kami ng bus number 2. Ayan kay City Mapper, bus number 2 daw yung sasakyan namin. Wala pa. Bossing. Baka dun si Bossing.
Yan.
Post ka lang, post ka lang.
Iba naman. Nakita ka na ng mga post. Photographer ko.
On our way to Funan, syempre kakain tayo ng famous.
Wingstop.
Ay, we stop pa more.
Wingstop? Pwede ba?
Ito na yung Funan eh. Ito na yung Funan.
Maglip.
Hey, another happy girl.
Happy girl. Ito yung spicy. Wala mo nang dito.
Chimes na kami guys. After long tiring day. Ganyan ka lang, huwag kang kakilaw ha. What's up? Bilis namin maglakad eh. Okay.
Oh.
Pangit pag ano eh.
Exit talaga. Oh, yan. Hindi ba sila mag-ilaw? Hindi ba sila mag-ilaw?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Gardens by the Bay presents Garden Rhapsody. Watch the super trees come to life as we unveil a dazzling showcase of lights and musical treats. Tonight we present Opera in the Gardens. So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
Touchdown, Lau Pasat. Ito, dito na. Oh, yun.
Sabi mo nga, same for vlogger.
Kung dami pagkain.
Can I have mixed fruit?
Okay, mamaya, kakain ng... Holy!
Ano kaya sasabihin ko? Philippines.
Saan kita?
Baka nakakakit ko.